beautiful sunrise this morning.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Got Dan and Glenn with me. Go catch some redfish early. The tide's gonna go out, and then we're gonna go catch some trout. Beautiful morning.
Got one here. Okay.
That's a big one. Keep him out. Oh, it just broke. It hit that tree. Where did you hook?
Let's see.
Let me guess, you hooked a catfish. A puffer.
Puffer, I've caught those.
Oh. It's time to get out of here. Puffers have insane teeth. See those huge teeth?
Yeah, I know.
When we go out trout fishing, that's what rips the Berkeleys in half.
I hate those lizard fish. They're
Yeah.
nasty.
The puffers are worse than them for lures.
Yep.
Alright, it's time for trout.
Them trout shouldn't.
That's a nice trout.
Yeah.
Are you on a net as fish while I'm putting yours on?
Sure. Where's? Oh, there it is. I don't know if it's 15.
It's not a keeper. No, you don't have to worry about it.
Never mind.
Nah, flip them in.
That's 15.
It's close. 14.
Whoa! There he is.
Take long. Alright, your first cast. Little trout. The baby trout.
Yeah.
It kind of looks like a silver trout. No, it's got spots. If it doesn't have spots, there's no limit. When they have spots, they gotta be 15.
So there's something called a silver trout?
Yeah, what the heck, right when he picks up his pole.
Yeah.
It's a big one too. Flip his butt in. He's close to 15. No, it's 14. Keep him low. Don't want him to fall back in the water.
Put him back in.
No, keep him away from the water. In case he hits 15, he's a little longer than the last couple. He came up aggressively.
Sure. Yeah, first time. I don't know.
Another close one. We're all 14.
Fell off in the boat, so. Wait, nope. 14 and a half.
That one's a keeper.
Feels a little bit.
He hit it more aggressively.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, you only need half an inch.
Oh, no, maybe not.
He's getting smaller.
No, I think it's the other way. Yeah, well, I don't know. That one might be bigger.
I think he's a keeper. He's definitely a keeper.
15, okay.
Yep.
That's a good
I think that
sign.
one's 15 and a half. Yeah, this one's definitely a keeper.
That's definitely 15.
Yeah, he's a lot longer than the last two. He hit it immediately when it hit the water.
Sure
Get it
did.
back out there. Straighten that. 16 and a half. That's a whole inch and a half bigger than the last two. I've been towing a trout this whole time.
Oh.
He's been on the whole time. We need some tidal movement or some breeze. We're just sitting still out here. There you go.
That's a little one, though, I think.
Had a nice little jump.
It doesn't look 15 to me.
No,
Oh, yeah.
that's a big trout.
Oh, yeah.
You going too?
Oh, I had one. Yeah.
That is a big trout.
When I net him.
Look at those skills.
Netting him one-handed.
That's a 17 incher.
Yeah. Cool. See a little bigger one.
Put him in the cooler. That's a big one.
A little better.
Oh, that's a keeper.
Was.
Why'd you stop reeling him?
Oh, I thought he was off.
No, he's swimming at
I
you.
frankly thought he was off.
Barely legal. He's legal though. He's 15. Got more girth on him than those 14s.
Yeah.
That one's actually 16.
Nice.
That's a fat trout.
Yeah.
Look at the belly on him.
Very nice. Sweet.
He's got one too?
Yep.
He's 17. Yeah, 2 trout back to back. Flip them in.
I don't think it's big, but
He's staying down. No, that's not a keeper. You can just flip him.
yep, we're done.
Oh, we found a pocket of trout now. Oh, there it is. You're wearing them out now, huh? That's a good trout. Flip them fast if you're gonna flip them. There you go.
Yeah.
You guys are wearing them out now.
That guy goes back, right?
Yeah, they're too small. Yeah, his is even smaller.
Yeah, this one's even smaller. Hold still. Yeah, good at that off.
Alright, well you guys found the fish. We're in them now. Should be every cast when you start getting them like that. Real fast. The key to trout fishing is real fast. There's a trout. Your bobber's all screwed up. You got one too?
Is this
Yeah. That's a double hookup. He's got a keeper.
This might be,
No, borderline. Just start flipping them in. You guys are pretty good at flipping them. We had 1,000 trout right here next to the boat. It's like the second hits the water, there's another one.
matter of weeding out the little one.
Yep. You got another one?
I did.
It's like
Hit the water.
yeah, it's like non-stop now. Well, I marked it so we can drift over the spot.
This might be a good one for me in the pontoon boat.
Yeah, I mean, you can have the coordinate. That's a big one.
Feels a little bigger.
Feels, yeah, from here it looks heavier.
Feels 14 and a half.
All right, watch out, he's flipping them. Feels like it. He'll keep. Oh, he is a keeper. 15
We
and
gotta throw this one in?
that's a big trout. No, it's not, is it? They're all the same size. But it's funny how that one's a keeper and this one's not. They're all almost like,
I don't know.
they're close.
Yep, you're right.
14.7. You got another one?
Whoa!
Oh, he's running. Jeez, we're trout slaying now, aren't we? Yeah. Farther away from the boat, better fish. Look at him swimming at me at 50 miles an hour. Maybe he's not that big. That's a keeper. At least you have something for dinner. You gotta have at least 10 trout. There you go. That's a keeper trout.
Yeah.
No, he's short. Oh shoot, actually he's a keeper now.
Yeah, I have to keep her now.
It is a trout.
She's like a keeper blind. No, you know. I think he is.
Flipping in trout now. Look at him just spit the hook. Geez, another one? Oh.
Not convinced. Nope.
This is a keeper.
Yeah.
He's 15 and a quarter.
Change.
So that's a keeper.
That guy is too, isn't he? I don't know, maybe not. Close.
Just, oh my god, he's exactly 15. He's slightly short. That is an exactly 15-inch trout.
Oh, this one's too short.
Yeah, that one's 14 and a half.
Okay.
All right, back to fishing. We got 5 keepers. Yeah, we're in the middle of them now. It's keep them biting. It's all about tide for redfish. We had no water. I don't know how it disappeared on us that fast. Ideally, you want a 10 a.m. high tide. That way you can fish from 7 to 12.
Mm-hmm.
But today I was hoping to have enough water till 11, but we ran out of water at 9.
Something.
It's a big trout.
This guy's getting tired now. Yeah, maybe not. I don't think it's 15 though. They all sound big, don't they?
Got that double trout.
Yeah.
You got it. You got a sea bass. So there's a rock pile over there. That's how you find grouper spots.
This one feels a little bigger. I think it's big. Yeah, this one's good.
Watch him spit the hook right at the side of the boat. And keeper.
Come on, keeper.
That's a big trout. Oh yeah, that's a keeper. Big trout.
Oops. Watch out for that.
Did that thing move and step up on you, Brian?
You got it right next to the boat.
Yeah.
Got the 2 hook system in his face.
Oof.
I guess it's a good idea we went back over the spot. 15 3/4.
Okay.
That's 7.
315.
It's close.
Close.
I don't think he's a keeper.
I don't think he is either.
Got both hooks in him. He wasn't getting off. So you've done trout fishing. What's the best you did for trout out here?
In terms of numbers,
Like keepers.
oh, no more than like 3 or 4.
Oh, so this is already your best trout day.
Yeah.
Not bad. You're under. That's a good one. That looks heavy. It looks solid when he bit it. I watched it go under. It's not even a trout. Oh yeah, it is a trout. It's not even big. What the heck is this?
It's
not even on the hook. It's staying down. Is it a catfish? Yeah, it ain't no trout. Big sea bass. Nice. That means your grouper spot's right there. This is how you find grouper spots.
Really?
If you catch a sea bass, you go check out what he was sitting on. Somewhere right out here. It must be a big rock pile. Oh geez, I thought that was a lady. That is a huge trout. You got one? He's got a big trout. You got a big trout. What the heck? 8 keepers. This is a keeper too.
Bang, bang, bang.
That's a good spot. His is a big one.
They went right at that. They were right out there in that, wherever that was. Good. Oh, let's go there. Oh, yeah.
That's a keeper.
You want me to get the net for you guys?
Flip them. Flip them fast. Go.
Don't flip them to the other side though.
Yeah, it launches them across the boat.
Oh, there we go.
Safely in the
Yeah,
boat.
I think he's a keeper.
Let's hope.
I might be able to measure him right here. Yep.
Nice one.
Oh yeah, he's definitely over 15.
Yeah.
He's almost 16.
Huh?
That's 10 keepers. You guys limited. Oh yeah. That's not even big.
Funny how some of them.
They hit hard.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a keeper. I think.
14 and a half.
Not even.
And it's peaceful to fish no matter what time of year it is. It could be blowing 30 out there and it's peaceful back here. Oh, there's a fish. Hey, we caught a redfish today.
Wow. What'd you use?
Shrimp. What'd you have?
Well.
No, you had a. I saw
Had
something.
something?
Jason. I'm glad I learned about this place. So this will be fun to come in here.
Yeah.
As long as you stay in the middle, it'll be in good shape.
Mm-hmm.